Spirulina. You may have heard of it as a superfood, but did you know it could be one of the most potent natural boosters for men's testosterone levels? It's true. Today, we're diving into how spirulina might just be the secret weapon men need to improve their testosterone, energy, and overall health. Spirulina is known for its incredibly dense nutrition profile. This blue-green algae is packed with protein, vitamins, and especially minerals that are essential for men's health. But what really makes it interesting? Spirulina has high levels of magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, nutrients directly tied to testosterone production. Let's talk about magnesium for a moment. Studies have shown that magnesium plays a key role in supporting free testosterone levels in men. In fact, men who consume enough magnesium daily tend to have higher testosterone levels compared to those who don't. And spirulina is one of the richest plant-based sources of magnesium out there. Just a single serving can cover nearly 15% of your daily needs, making it easy to add this mineral to your diet. It's as simple as mixing it into a smoothie or taking a supplement, and you're well on your way to supporting healthier testosterone levels. Now let's move on to zinc, a mineral that's well known for its testosterone boosting effects. Many men are deficient in zinc without even knowing it, and it's been shown in studies that zinc is critical for maintaining optimal testosterone production, impacting everything from mood to energy to muscle growth. Spirulina is a surprisingly effective source of zinc, especially when included regularly in your diet. It helps keep those testosterone levels balanced, naturally. For men looking to stay on top of their health, spirulina offers a convenient way to get a daily dose of this vital mineral. And there's another hidden benefit. Spirulina is loaded with powerful antioxidants, including phycocyanin, which fights oxidative stress and inflammation. Now, why does this matter? Well, oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are enemies of testosterone. They can lead to hormonal imbalances that impact everything from muscle mass to libido. Researchers found that men with lower inflammation levels tended to have higher testosterone. Spirulina's antioxidants could be a game changer here, helping to protect cells, reduce inflammation, and create an optimal environment for testosterone production. So how can you start benefiting from spirulina? It's easy. Try a scoop in your morning smoothie or grab it as a supplement. Spirulina is versatile and easy to incorporate into your routine without a hassle. Just one small addition can help you cover those crucial nutrients for testosterone, energy, and so much more. Whether you're trying to build muscle, boost energy, or simply stay at your peak, spirulina is a powerful natural ally for men's health. Remember, the foundation of testosterone health lies in getting the right nutrients every day, and spirulina makes it effortless. So if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insights on natural ways to boost your health. And drop a comment below if you're ready to try spirulina or have already experienced its benefits. Let's take charge of our health together.
Melanatural.